Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create these like belt pants on Dress to Impress. This is not what it looks like, by the way, but let's get started. I'm just going to save the skin color. Okay, it's already here. Is it this one? No. Okay, it's that one. And then I'm just going to select these paint shorts. You do need VIP for this, unfortunately. I don't make the rules. And then you're going to color it the same as your skin tone. Then we are going to use this belt over here. And we're going to use a pattern. You can use like any pattern color that you want. For this one, you're going to position it Y at 0.45, rotate it at 0.90. For the z-axis, and then scale it to 0.67. Then for the other belt, we're going to go to this area here. We're going to use the like belt from the like cowboy pack. Toggle it to the second toggle and color it to whatever color you want. I'm just going to do a plain black on these ones. I can just, okay, you know what, I'll do that later. Position the Y at 0.39. That is at the X, sorry. Z at 0.53. Rotate it 0.43 on the x-axis. Y at 0.52. Z at 0.15. And scale it to 0.67 as well here. I might position it a little bit more up actually. Like so. It looks weird from the back, but it doesn't matter because we only look at the front. And that is it. That is how you can create this belt skirt. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.